World Table Tennis Championship. It's organized by the Qatar Table Tennis Association under the umbrella of ITTF. World Table Tennis Championship means it's a big event, and I mean it's not a big event, but it's going to be a global event. And for Qatar and Doha as the host, it is after 2 decades, almost 21 years later, that Qatar is hosting this global event. And this time, Qatar has a lot of infrastructure to offer. The preliminary stages will be held at the Qatar University Hall, and the main event is going to be held at the Lusail Indoor Arena. Now, this championship date, I must mention about the championship date. The championship is going to be held from the 17th May until 25th May. So whoever wants to plan out their Qatar tour, they can drop in, they can come to Qatar, they can come to Doha and head to the Lusail International Arena to watch not only Olympic champions but the world champions as well. And all top players from all the continents will be there. There will be participants from the powerhouses, China, Japan, Korea, and yes, Brazil is one country that has thrown up a very good player in the form of Calderano. And India also have some of their participants in this championship, and among them one of the top women player, Manika Batra from Delhi. She is going to lead the India's challenge here in Doha. This World Championship means a lot to everyone, and it is important for all these players to actually to get ready for the next ITTF events as well. And because it is the Olympic cycle, and 2028 Olympics is going to be held in Los Angeles. So the mood has been set in with this World Championship, and with this World Championship, a lot of top players are going to test their actions, their skills, as they are preparing for a lot of ITTF, WTT events. As you know, WTT, the World Table Tennis, the pro events that are held across the main cities of the world, and ITTF has made it a very mega event. But this World Championship is a big one. Those who want to book their ticket, they can go to the Q platform, and from there they can book their tickets from May 17th until 25th of May. So 1 week of big action. Those who enjoy table tennis, the ping pong game, they can drop in at the Lusail International Area. This indoor arena is actually the stadium. When we go towards Lusail, towards the Alcor, on the left hand side you will see a blue colored stadium. It's a very big stadium, an indoor stadium basically. So that's the stadium is going to host this championship. For the commuters who wants to travel by Doha Metro, they can take the metro until the Lusail station, and there is a Metrolink buses that can drop you at the venue.